Yeah, well, this guy bought this car in 1973 from the original owner. His father painted it actually in the driveway in 1978. The original color was tuxedo black, and he painted it for the guy's wedding.
Huh.
And when I bought the car, it had pictures of him painting it in the driveway. You get arrested for that today. But they had the cans on it, the just married on the back window, and everything at the church. So this was the limo back in the day. That's what they did.
Huh.
And it was in his garage since. And probably at least 25 years, I've been chasing it. He used to chase me out of his driveway, told me the only way I was going to get it is when he died. And well, he died. So here it is.
Super cool.
Original SS, original 4-speed 12-bolt. He put the ladder bars on it. This guy was a engineer for Grumman, and at one point in its life, it had side pipes on it. You can still see the brackets there.
Yeah.
And then he put the original exhaust back on it, and then it's off now. There's no motor, no transmission. I'm selling the car rolling, no motor, no training. But he did some interesting stuff to the console. Being an engineer and all, with the gauges, instead of putting them on the console, on the column, or making holes in the
in the dash, put them in the middle. I like that. And they're old school too.
Yeah, interiors.
Mallory.
Original panel car, never hit car. Very honest car. Minimal rust. And that's it. I mean, it's a true, real SS.
Cool.
You see over there on the right, it's got the original.
Look at his plaque on here.
Yeah, the plaque.
That's a guy that'll never sell it. Original air car, power steering. And he's got a cool, old school lock. What's it called again? Car lock. With an alarm. Looks like the original interior too, huh?
I think at one point, he might have did it. They put a cassette in it, which is kind of cool because he didn't hack the dash,
Yeah, headliner's nice.
Cut the dash out or anything like that. So.
He also had a piece of towel or something that he made there.
Kind of anal, just I guess just not to wear out the interior.
Yeah.
Because he was kind of a big guy.
Super nice door panels.
Doors closed. Beautiful.
Man, you hear that door?
Yeah, no, they closed it. That's how it is. It's the only original one. So.
Look at the alarm right there. I can't wait to show the Ahuga alarm. Man, she's ready for some horsepower. Power steering, power.
2000 original mile car. Has the original rotors, the original ball joints on it.
Wow.
The original 12-bolt.
Mm-hmm. Here's that old school alarm. Very neat. He made this too for the alarm. They didn't want anybody to steal it, I guess, huh?
Yeah, this guy was.
Look at this too. That's something an engineer would do.
Yeah, he's like a MacGyver, this one.
This thing,
he made his own switch for the battery.
Wow.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like stuff like this.
Dude, what's that on the firewall right there?
Believe it or not, back in the day they had water injection to get better mileage, and he made this bracket, put it on there, and had a bell jar in here with something going into the carburetor for water injection.
Wow.
Made his own.
Freaking cool, man.
Yeah, he was a MacGyver.
Original bumpers, original metal, original everything, right?
Yeah, this car's never been hit. No panel's been replaced. It's always been in the garage.
Date-coded lenses. Original 396 SS car.
Yeah, so we could be bought at Giles back in the day. When it was down in Fort Jeff.
Man, local, huh?
Yeah. Well, it's a local car. It's a bit of Fort Jeff car its whole life.
Never gonna sell it.
I'm not sure if that's where the wedding got consummated, but back seat's in good shape.
Let's check out the trunk, because that's original too. 75,116 miles. These are so hard to find unmolested.
Hey, take a look at his trunk door.
Look at his original keys too.
Yeah.
So neat. Oh, and there's the lock, the alarm thing.
Yeah.
So cool.
And
And
it's for.
wow.
It's an original unmolested door.
Yeah, it's freaking clean up nice.
Yep.
It's like they added a power antenna. You still see the numbers in the quarters.
Yep, right here.
Yeah, so cool.
I believe this to be original paint.
Yeah. Black.
Air shocks.
Oh my god, how cool. Yeah, I had those in my first car.
The 12 bolt with the
Ladder bars set up.
bars, yeah.
Oh yeah. That's super old school. Freaking cool, man. Super solid. Oh wow, look at that too.
Yeah, for the oval exhaust tips.
The lenses are decoded too. Definitely original. This would make an amazing restoration candidate. Black, loaded up.
Actually, it's a paint job. Motor and training, you got it, you know.
Then you got a nice driver. I don't even know if I'd paint it as such a cool vibe, just the way it sits.
Yeah, it looks kind of more original, right?
Yeah. Freaking cool.
Yeah, you don't find them this honest often, you know? It's not easy to figure out what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Correct that. It's not hard to figure out what it is.
Yeah, its honesty shows.
Yeah,
Very
it
simply.
is what it is. But you could tell it's never been messed with.
Yeah. Super cool, man. And you might even have a motor available, right?
Yeah, the motor and the tranny if needed.
All right, we'll talk about that. You got to hear how the door's shut. Go ahead. Right?
That's the sound of a car that's original. It's never been hit. That's how they close.
Beautiful.
That thud.
It's pretty sweet with the Mickey on the back too. Well, guys, give us a buzz. Mike at Weeby Autos. Thanks again for showing us your car. It's pretty fantastic. 631-339-0399.